Neakasa by Neabot P1 Pro Pet Grooming Kit and Vacuum Suction 99% Pet Hair, Dog Grooming Kit with 5 professional grooming shedding tools for dogs, cats, and other animals. This pet grooming clippers come with 5 proven tools: grooming brush and deshade brush to help prevent damaging the topcoat whilst promoting a soft, smooth, healthier skin and coat for your pet. Electric clipper provides excellent cutting performance. Nozzle head and cleaning brush can be used for collecting pet hair falling on the carpet, sofa, and floor. Cat face vacuum suction 99% pet hair. Traditional home grooming tools bring about a lot of mess and hair in the home. But our P1 Pro grooming kit with vacuum function collects 99% of pet hair into a vacuum container while trimming and brushing hair, which can keep your home clean, and there's no more tangled hair and no more piles of fur spreading all over the house. Afloia Dog Grooming Kit and Vacuum Suction. Professional dog clippers with 7 pet grooming tools include grooming, deshedding, cleaning brush, nozzle, clipper, nail trimmer, grinder for dog cat pet, 1.5L. Afloia Dog Grooming Kit includes 7 grooming tools: pet grooming brush, deshedding tool, hair clippers, paw trimmer, nail grinder, cleaning brush, and nozzle. This 7-in-1 kit helps you do a professional grooming salon for your lovely pets at home effortlessly. Dog face innovative vacuum suction. Are you annoyed at the messy scene caused by the traditional dog clipper? This pet grooming kit is designed with a powerful vacuum that can suck the hair into the vacuum container while brushing and trimming. It will keep your home tidy, no worry about hair spreading all over the house again.